Hello mga beshi! Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, gagawa po tayo ng napakasarap na pizza. Pero bago ang lahat, huwag niyo pong kalimutan i-subscribe ang aking channel, Thailand's Vlog. At syempre, huwag niyo rin kalimutan isama ang notification bell para update kayo sa mga videos na i-upload. So tara, let's go and we'll make our pizza dough! 1 sachet of yeast, sugar, water, then mix all together. Flour, salt, cooking oil, then mix all together. So add another mixture to form a dough. Knead it for 5 minutes to get your perfect consistency of dough. Cover it with the plastic and rest for 90 minutes. So here we go now. Our pizza dough is already done. Here we go. These are all the ingredients of my pizza. This is chicken breast. This is corn. This is my tomato sauce. This is hot dog. This is mushroom. And of course, my mozzarella cheese. So it goes now. My pizza is ready for baking. So let's bake now. Oven is now ready. Let's check. Wow. Look, my pizza. So after 5 minutes, and this is how it looks like now. So we will wait for another 15 minutes. My pizza is now ready. Take a bite now. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.